Hi guys, welcome to YSCom Driving. Today is a very interesting day for pickup truck lovers because we have a new entry brought in by Angkatan Motor Sdn Bhd, and this is the Chinese made Vigus Pro. The Vigus Pro is supplied by Jiangling Motors Company of China, or JMC for short. Now, JMC itself is affiliated to Ford. In fact, Ford is a major stakeholder in the company, and JMC also builds Ford trucks. And therefore, it's no surprise to us that the engine actually comes from the Ford family group. It's a Pinto engine, but it is sleeved down to 2 liters, and it delivers a maximum power of 141 horsepower with 340 Newton meters of torque. The Vigus Pro comes from China, but the 4-wheel drive system is actually made by Borg Warner, and that comes with electronic switching from 2 high to 4 high, and of course also to 4 low. And even more interesting is the fact that the transmission is a ZF 8-speed gearbox. So this is a vehicle that is loaded with a lot of good stuff, and of course the clincher that is going to make it very interesting for everybody is the fact that the price is 98,888 for P Malaysia, and for East Malaysia it's just 2,000 more at 100,888. Now, in terms of size, this vehicle is 5,305 mm long, which brings it up to about the same size as most of its competitors here. And it has a slightly wider width. In fact, it's the widest in its class, supposedly, at 1906 mm. In terms of height, it is 1835 mm. And the wheelbase is 3085. Wheels are 16-inch. So the vehicle will be assembled in the Tanchong plant in Serenda, and we are just waiting to see the first ones on the road so we can see how it performs. So stay tuned with us, guys. So that's all for today, and until we meet again in the next video. Bye bye.